Hello everyone and welcome back to Unforgotten Tech. My name is Gregory Krause and today we're going to be talking about how to properly jumpstart your vehicle using another vehicle. Now before we get started, please take the time to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment in the section below. Eventually you are going to run along a car that will not start because the battery is weak or dead. In this event, we will need to know how to jumpstart the vehicle and get it running again. However, we will want to complete this process properly or severe and costly damage could result in one or both of the vehicles. This could be fuses, electrical components, and even onboard computers. Today we will be using battery jumper cables and another vehicle to properly jumpstart a dead vehicle and get it up and running again. When jumpstarting a vehicle, we will want to use a vehicle with the same voltage battery of the car being jumpstarted. Most light and medium vehicles' batteries are 12.6 volts. If you are unsure or dealing with vehicles with different voltages, refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for details. Without further ado, let's get started. PPE needed for this job will be safety glasses and closed-toed shoes. And for tools and equipment, we're going to need jumper cables and a rescue vehicle. First step will be to inspect the battery and cables. We will want to make sure the cables are connected and not damaged or corroded in a way that will stop us from being able to jumpstart the vehicle. We will also want to inspect the battery and make sure there is no cracking, leaking, it's not frozen or bulging. If any of these conditions exist, the battery should be replaced. Next, we'll want to safely guide the running vehicle to about 1 foot away, but not close enough that they touch. Engage the parking brake in both vehicles and shift them to park or neutral. Shut off the engine. Lift the hood to the rescue vehicle. Now attach the cables in the proper order. Attach one of the red clips to the positive terminal of the dead battery. The terminal may say positive or have a plus symbol. Attach the other red clip to the positive terminal of the rescue vehicle's battery. While still at the rescue car's battery, attach one of the black clips to the negative terminal. The terminal may be labeled negative or have a minus symbol. The last black cable should be attached to an unpainted metal surface as far from the dead battery as possible. This is to ground the circuit and prevent sparking. Now we are ready to jumpstart the vehicle. We will start the rescue vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. For batteries that are extremely discharged, we will have to let the vehicle charge for longer durations. This will help charge the dead battery. We will now start the vehicle. If after a few minutes of charging the vehicle does not turn over, then there may be further diagnostics required. Once your battery has been brought back to life, keep the engine running. Remove the cables in the reverse order you placed them then, negative first, then the positive. Drive it for at least 15 to 30 minutes to ensure the battery charges. If your car won't start again the next time you take it out for a spin, the battery probably isn't holding a charge and needs to be replaced. All right, now today we learned how to properly jumpstart a vehicle using another vehicle and a pair of jumper cables. I personally want to say thank you to each and every one of you tuning in today. My name's Gregory Krause, and I look forward to seeing you next time.